crazy fleet. But yeah, I got double weight tinted. Just washed it. Sick. Nice E46. And Audis. You know, probably got some Audi boys watching as well. Yeah. Speed wise, I think RS3s. But looks wise, I like anything like these. Oh, this is RS5. God damn, I thought it was an S5 the whole time. That's freaking sick, bro. And the freaking M4 is my favorite though. Of all time. Forever gonna be.
You find these little places tucked away everywhere if you know where to look.
Let's go. Bruh, like coming here, this is where I get my ethanol. And every time, bro, it's like freaking game. It's so crazy. And I see a mark for Supra, like, just look what I'm talking about, bro. Yes, sir. It's Kyle going at it right now. Look over here, G. Freaking Supra. And Kyle just sees it every day, like, yeah, just normal. Bro's had crazy amounts of Supras. And this thing is, how much is it gonna be, Kyle? It was 1200 wheel when you gave me a ride at least. At 50 PSI, right?
About 1800 probably. I'll get a 4-inch exhaust and a bigger intercooler, and that should open up a little bit more power with the same turbo. Change the power band slightly. I don't know, the dyno worked out.
My camera about to die, bro. Look at this thing. What the fuck, bro? This is actually so crazy.
Put on the doctor's gloves.
Time to
Doctor of Supra.
time to really do some surgery. Like, I think I like 3 exhaust exits.
One eternity later.
I kind of don't know what I'm doing, but
Bright sunshiny day. The 92mm I'm gonna have to mount up there by the headlight. I'd break this engine in with the known working setup.
a freaking Mercy over here. Like, why you not in the show, bro? Damn. I remember OG Need for Speed days. I love these on the Gallardos so much. And now they're like mad expensive. Yeah, that thing looks insane. I bet this footage is gonna be a lot nicer with the gimbal. I hope y'all like the new camera stuff I'm getting. I'm just trying to get some better quality videos. bro. This thing is just straight spaceship vibes. This shit is done up properly, bro.
Same silhouette.
Yeah, this shit proper. These things are nice too, bro. It's so like baller presidential vibes. Yeah. Now all these got crazy diffusers. But that's F80, bro. Chop. I'm the kind of guy, bros, to walk through the whole meet and just search for F80s and F82. This is that F80 that was driving in. TEs. Damn, boy. Crazy G82 on B-Locks. That looks fast as hell. I just had to show y'all. Oh yeah, you got some more of my type of cars here. Straight ballers on the grass. Crazy looking.
Looks like you got a CLS coming through.
I would love me something like SUV though, someday. Just like some family car, bro. Something like a Range, G-Wagon, Euros. Something like that. They're freaking nice. My favorite.
There's a
McLarens
lot
as
of
well.
people out there that need
Especially
it.
this color.
A lot of
Miami
kids that want it. And only you, the community, can make it happen.
It's so packed though. I can't even get to show y'all properly. SF90, bro.
Oh, yes.
There's another, what?
Everybody
720S?
Rev it. No, it's okay. He's confused. He got lost along the way.
Looks good though. It's so sleek. It looks like a Batmobile. That's Slum Dog. This guy's truck never fails to impress me. I'm pretty sure it's a big single. I can't even see up in there.